Solve this system by elimination. We want the x terms to cancel when we add the equations. The x coefficients are 10 and 1. Their least common multiple is 10. Use -1 on row 1 and 10 on row 2. That gives -10x and positive 10x. Multiply every term in the first equation by -1. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 10. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 77y, and the right sides combine to -616. Divide both sides by 77. That leaves y equals -8. Use y equals -8 in the first original equation. Replace y with -8. The remaining x term equals -70. Divide both sides by 10. X equals -7. The solution is x equals -7 and y equals -8. It makes both original equations true.